Hello everybody. Today we're going to look at grid method multiplication. Okay, so this is one of the methods that we can use when we are multiplying 2 or 3-digit numbers by a single digit or by 2 digits. Now today we are going to do 2 digits multiplied by 1 digit. Are you ready? Okay, let's draw the grid. This is the easiest way to draw the grid. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to go down and across. Okay, now where does the multiplication sign go? Here in the corner, watch. Okay, now let's write out our question underneath so you can see. We are going to multiply 42 multiplied by 6. Okay, let's set up the question. Now we need to partition our numbers, okay? So we need another column. Watch. Partitioning 42. Watch. Now, where do we place them? The number here, not the number you're multiplying by, but this number, 42, needs to go across the top. Watch. Okay? Now, where do we place the 6? Down here, underneath the multiplication sign. Watch. Next step, we multiply 6 by 40. Now, the easiest way, 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. What do we do with this 0? We place it on the end. Okay? Moving on. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Okay? Now, next step, the final step, addition. Okay? So, let's write it down. 240. Add 12. 0 and 2 is 2. 4 add 1 equals 5. 2 add 0 equals 2. What's our final answer? 252. Let's write it down. Okay, recap. Do not forget to partition 42. You place this number across the top of your grid. The number you are multiplying by underneath the multiplication sign. Then complete the next steps. We multiply each number by the number you partitioned. So 6 multiplied by 40 and 6 multiplied by 2. Final step, the addition at the end. Okay? You follow the same process for 3-digit numbers.